Alcohol is poisonous. I fucking fought this for years and years and years. Coming from the military, which is basically just a fucking drinking club. It's what you do. You join the army, you learn how to drink a shitload and still train the next day. That is what the military is, boys and girls, if you're interested in fucking joining. So I fought this for a long time, especially when I started getting my mind right and really locking into it. You've seen my story maybe. I'm not going to go into it right now. I was licked, right? I ended up having court ordered therapy, prisoner therapy, chose the fucking latter. And it didn't fucking take me, but it made me obsessed with being my best self and just getting my mind right. So I went on this crazy self-development mission over years and years and years, etc., right? But even when I was locked in and I was doing okay, I was still drinking. But in my head, I had control. It was fucking control. That's what it was, right? I could go out with the guys, I'd have one or two beers and drive home, still feel good. I'd have the occasional whiskey at a barbecue, and I thought that's all good. But you realize at a certain level, the only thing that really matters is your frequency. Your frequency, your internal state is all that matters because we affect the entire world around us, right? We're the animal that hasn't been given the fucking skin or the capacity to camouflage that blends in with the environment because we don't need to because our brains control the environment around us. We have a unique gift that no other animal has where our thoughts can change our entire fucking circumstance and environment. That's fucking powerful. When you realize this, you realize that all that matters is your frequency, the level that you fucking operate at. All that fucking matters, right? So if you think, why would I do something that drops my frequency? It makes no fucking sense. I don't tell any guy on my program, any guy to stop drinking. It's not even part of the fucking program. Not even fucking part of it, not one bit. They just all decide to. Guys join within 2 or 3 weeks. They have just effortlessly decided to quit smoking. They have effortlessly decided to stop drinking because it makes no fucking sense to them. It makes no fucking sense. It's not about discipline. It's not about discipline or willpower. One little fucking bit. It's logical. I teach guys accurate thinking, right? Accurate thinking. Make good decisions. Actually think logically. Do I love the taste of this alcoholic drink? Logically, no. If guys think they do, they've anchored how they feel when they drink that, when they taste that on their fucking taste buds, how they feel, which is sedated, escaping reality. They accompany that to a good positive thing, so they enjoy the taste. They don't enjoy the fucking taste. Hot chocolate, Coke, way fucking tastier. Way chocolate milkshake, way fucking tastier, obviously, right? But you don't get the sedation, so guys don't think it's fucking good. It's nuts, right? Logical thinking will tell you, okay, do I have a fucking mentality that I'm in charge of, that I'm in control of? I do. So do I want to have things that give me less control of this mentality? No. Okay, cool. I want to be better every day. I have to be. My family deserve it. I deserve it. I'm on a mission of self-mastery and absolute optimization. Will this make me better or worse? Worse, right? It's not like having dirty food. You can fit dirty food into your macros, and it means the law of thermodynamics is still going to be at play. You're going to strip fat, you're going to build muscle, you're going to give yourself a fucking reward for you just locking and eating clean most of the time. But alcohol doesn't do that. You don't get any nutrients from it. It has calories in it. Just for reference, protein and carbs has 4 calories per gram. Fats has 9 calories per gram, which is why we always have a little bit less fat than carbs and protein. Alcohol has 7 calories per gram, and all of those calories are useless. They're all useless. What the fuck do you think your body does with poison that's based in calories? It just tries to get rid of it as fast as it can. That's what it's trying to do. It's not using it for tissue growth, for absorbing vitamins, for hormone control, any of that shit. In fact, it just damages that shit. And it takes energy away from the body to push it out, to get it out of the fucking body. That's what it does. There's no logical benefit to fucking drinking. And I fought against this. I'd be like, well, stress relief, like it really helps you unwind. Weak as fuck. When you realize that your capacity to be successful in life is your tolerance to stress. I can go through the fucking most terrible circumstances ever right now, and I'll just feel blessed and grateful as fuck, and I'll always see an opportunity in it because there is a seed of equivalent opportunity in every moment of adversity, every single fucking one, and I'll see that. My stress management is unshakable. I don't do fucking yoga to do it either. It's just part of my fucking wiring, because on the Wake the King program, that's what we do. We rewire the mind so it actually feels ruthlessly in control all the fucking time. All the fucking time. So I don't need a drink to manage my stress, and if you do, then your brain's wired wrong. It's wired like everyone else, 90% of the world. And if you want what they've got, absolutely fine. If you don't want what they've got and you want something different, you got to move fucking differently. You got to do different fucking things. Super fucking important. So this is what we teach. Accurate thinking. When you break it down, it makes no fucking sense. So the way that you effortlessly gain control of alcohol, other drugs, is by unlocking your best self. Because he's the only man, I call him your inner king. He's the only man that knows how to accurately think. The only fucking man. We've all got him in our gut. Every human on the fucking planet has two entities inside them, a primal fucking brain and their higher self. That's it. The primal brain is just a survivalist. It's just desperate to watch porn and shove food and anything that sedates in the mouth. Fucking sugary shit, fatty shit. Give me all of it. I'm fucking surviving. That's what I need. I gotta procreate and I gotta fucking survive. Eat. Porn. It's all I give a fuck about, right? This survival-based primal brain is just rooted in fear. Rooted in fear. All it is afraid all the fucking time, right? And you can't get anything when you're afraid, because all you'll be attracted to is that which you are scared of. And that'll just confirm your fear over and over and over again. Your higher self is a killer. Your higher self is locked in with infinite intelligence. This isn't some spiritual fucking theory. This is physics. This is quantum entanglement. Everything is deeply connected. And guys that unlock this and realize it, they're the guys that when they touch shit, it turns to gold. They're the guys that effortlessly move through life at a crazy pace. When guys join the program, I lock them into this and they realize, fuck, life is easy and effortless. I'm in this wild flow. Why the fuck was I treating myself so shit before? I can have everything I fucking want, right? That's your higher self. I call him your inner king. When you wake him up, he only thinks accurately. And that's when it doesn't take discipline and willpower to not snooze your alarm. It doesn't take discipline and willpower to say no to that drink. It just becomes obvious. I can easily, in fact, I did it 2 weeks ago. I can go out. One of my clients was fighting in Bath he's not a boxer. He's runs a race engineering company. He's doing raise money for charity. He raised more than all the other fighters combined. Killer, fucking good guy. Me and Amber, my wife, we went to watch the fight and then went out afterwards. We met Amber's uncles. It was fucking cool. It was a great night. I didn't touch a drop because I don't. Why the fuck would I? And it wasn't difficult. It was so fucking easy. We're out till about 1 a.m. Easy as fuck. There's not a bit of temptation, no irritation, a tiny bit of irritation at a cocktail bar in Bath when I asked for a cup of tea. They don't serve tea there. What sort of cocktail bar is this? Can't give me a fucking cup of tea. Crazy, but it's all good. It was called a Summit Collins. I can't remember what it was. It was basically a fucking fruit juice, but it's irritating to me because I had to track it in and it meant less carbs, which I wanted to fucking smash a pit of when I got home. It's all good. So I got home about 1:30, 2-ish, right? Feeling fucking good, feeling so ruthlessly in control, not using any decision fatigue, which was what most guys have to do when they stop drinking. They use their fucking they try so fucking hard and they use every bit of discipline they got because that's all they can do, right? And they're not even fun to be with. I'm still alive for the fucking party when I'm not drinking. Because my goal is to inspire. How the fuck am I going to inspire people to stop doing that dumb shit like drinking if I'm sat there with a 0% fucking beer, like, oh, I wish I could have a real fucking beer. Oh, this isn't hitting the spot. Oh, it's nothing like the real thing, is it? Oh, I might fucking call it a day early. Oh, I fucking hate these weak guys that uninspire everyone around him. Everyone around him is like, fuck being that guy. Get me another fucking drink. It's crazy, right? I still kill it. I feel fucking amazing. I got to bed at like 2, still get up at 4. Did my fucking press ups. Go onto my Instagram, Johnny, JONNY.WTK, as in Wait the King. Look at the highlight story called I Never Miss. And you'll see me. I do press ups every morning. Gecko press ups every morning, 4 a.m., between 4 and 5 when I fucking get up. Never miss a day. You can see it every single day. You'll see Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. You'll see New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. You'll see my fucking birthday every single day. I record it because it's a commitment to my higher self that I will never fucking miss. But it's easy. If guys have to try really hard to do this stuff, decision fatigue sets in and they just make worse choices down the line. Bad choices down the line. They fuck up down the line. They're going to eat tons and tons of shit food and then they feel like shit. And then in their head, they're like, well, I quit drinking, but I still feel like shit. Fuck's sake. It's because they used their willpower to not drink and it drained it because they're weak as fuck mentally because their higher self isn't operating. They're still in that primal fucking zone. So they just do dumb shit. Dumb shit. Doesn't work like that. Unlock your higher self. And there's rules for this, right? Unlocking your higher self is easy as fuck. You just have to live as the man that you would admire. That's it. Locked into universal law, seize aggressive control of your nutrition with macros so you're in control of one of the most powerful parts of human psychology, which is what we fucking eat. right? It's not just about getting in shape. Seizing control of your macros, counting them, is massively, massively psychological. It puts you in ruthless control. Do all that shit. Your higher self starts waking up. You start speaking your goals into fucking creation by being a man of your word. Slowly you realize your primal brain, that fear goes, and you're just ran with absolute bold action, certainty, positivity. You jump out of bed in the morning, feel fired up. And when someone offers you a drink, it's not a, oh, I shouldn't, oh, I want to, you know what? No. Oh, that was fucking hard. It's, no, I'm good. Give me a fucking cup of tea. I'll have a fucking coffee, please. Easy as fuck. Easy as fuck. The only way to make it effortless is by awakening your highest fucking self, your inner king.